Well, there is finally some good news that is coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. Mobile networks have been restored in Srinagar. This includes network services of Airtel, Vodafone and Aircel. This is finally some good news that is in fact coming in from Srinagar. My colleague Mausami Singh is joining me live from Ground Zero. Mausami, good news coming in. Mobile networks have been restored in Srinagar. Take us through the latest.
Yeah, that's right, Rishika. If you look at the rescue operations and this entire tragedy, the proportions were surmounted and doubled because of the lack of communication. A complete communication breakdown. All parts of Srinagar caused a lot of hindrance in rescue and relief operations. And it is a big respite, Rishika, that the Airtel, the Vodafone and Aircel networks have been restored, though the data services have not been activated. But people can call up their relatives and inform them that they're alive, they're okay, and they can inform them that where they are. That's a big relief for all the victims here, stranded here.
Right, definitely huge relief for victims and also for the families of those victims who are in far-flung areas across the country, who have in fact been worried for their loved ones. Mausami, just like to ask you, the army has made a concerted effort as well, in order to restore mobile links, because communication, of course, very crucial to relief and rescue operations taking place.
Rishika, see, if you look at the Uttarakhand disaster and compare it with the Srinagar flood situation, the major problem that Srinagar flood situation faced was the lack of communication, the breakdown of communication.
Absolutely.
And that was also because the nodal agencies from the Army, Air Force, BSF, they could not coordinate with each other. So the rescue operations were also hindered, Rishika.
Absolutely.
And hopefully there will be a speed up in all the rescue and relief operations after the communications have been restored in certain pockets.
Mausami Singh, thanks so much for joining us with that update. With the communication lines in Srinagar being restored, one can only hope that rescue and relief operations now will be expedited.